Welcome to Alvin Community College and the Dolphin Nation. We're glad that you've chosen to start or continue your higher education with us. Getting your associate's degree is a great way to increase your earning potential and improve your quality of life. To help you reach your academic goals, the ACC Office of Financial Aid offers several options to offset the cost of your education. Every ACC student qualifies for some form of financial aid, and there is free assistance to help you find needed funds. There are 4 types of financial assistance available to ACC students: grants, work study, loans, and scholarships. Grants are free money that do not have to be paid back. They are awarded based on financial need and can be used to help cover the cost of tuition, fees, books, and basic living expenses. Work Study is a program where you earn money by working at ACC. Work Study employees earn minimum wage and work no more than 19 hours per week. Student loans are money that must be paid back when you finish taking classes. These loans could be made directly to you, the student, or to your parents. Although a loan may not be your first choice to pay for college, it's important to remember that, similar to a mortgage for a house or a loan to buy a car, a student loan is an investment that pays off in the long run. Scholarships are free money that is awarded based on merit, special skills, or financial need. A list of scholarships can be found on the ACC Financial Aid website. To qualify for federal student grants or loans, you must have a high school diploma or GED, enroll in a degree or certificate program, maintain satisfactory academic progress, be a United States citizen or national, and have a valid Social Security number. Males are also required to be registered with the Selective Service. Your first step in applying for financial aid is to get a federal PIN number at www.pen.ed.gov. Your PIN number allows you to complete the required forms each year, as well as access your information when needed. Please note that your parents may also need to get their own PIN. Write this number down and keep it private. Once you have your PIN, you are ready to complete the free application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA. This is an electronic form that can be found at www.fasfa.ed.gov. You will be asked about you or your parents' income, as well as other basic information about yourself. To complete this form, you will need to refer to your most recent tax return. When completing your FAFSA, please use the ACC school code 003539. This will allow your ACC Financial Aid Advisor to electronically download your information from the Federal Central Processing Center. While completing the application, you will be prompted to use the IRS data retrieval tool to insert your tax information into your FAFSA. You are highly encouraged to take advantage of this tool, as it will save you time and paperwork once your application is submitted to the college. Once your application has been processed, you will receive an email from fa@alvincollege.edu that tells you what forms you will need to submit to ACC and any next steps you will need to take to complete your application. It's important to check your email often to stay on top of deadlines and financial aid requirements. You can bring all of your documents to the Enrollment Services Center, or you can email them to fa@alvincollege.edu. You can also fax them to 281-756-3840. Please include your name and ACC ID on all of your information. Once you've turned in all your paperwork, keep checking your email. It is the primary form of communication used by the Office of Financial Aid and is the way you will be contacted if there are any questions about your application. To check on the progress of your application or award status, go to the Financial Aid section of your Web Access account. From here, you can review your award letter and check your balance and refund status. Here are a few things to remember once you get your award letter. Only register for classes on your degree or certificate plan. Financial aid can only be used to pay for classes if they are needed for your ACC degree. Taking extra classes that are not required can prevent you from receiving aid. Before registering for classes, review your program evaluation to make sure you are on track with your degree. If you have money left over after your tuition and fees have been paid, you may use it to purchase textbooks and other supplies in the ACC bookstore. Don't drop classes before speaking with your financial aid advisor. You are required to meet satisfactory academic progress requirements and this can be jeopardized if you drop a class. Students who fail to meet these requirements may owe money back to ACC or the federal government. Go to class and study. Students receiving financial aid are required to maintain at least a 2.0 GPA. If you fail a class or are forced to retake it, you could owe money back. Email your financial aid advisor before you make any changes to your FAFSA. Your eligibility and award may change based on any new information. To learn more about financial aid, go to the ACC website at www.alvincollege.edu. You can also email your financial aid department at fa@alvincollege.edu. Welcome to Alvin Community College. Fins up!